Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now that we're more familiar with the general layout of Excel, let's take a closer look at something called the Quick Access Toolbar. You may have noticed it already. It's that small bar at the top left corner of the screen, just above the ribbons. By default, it usually contains a few icons, like Save, Undo, and Redo. That small bar is the Quick Access Toolbar. So, what exactly is it? The Quick Access Toolbar is a place where you can add the commands you use most often. Instead of searching through different ribbons, you can put your favorite tools right here. This makes them faster and easier to access. Right now, my Quick Access Toolbar is at the very top, but personally, I prefer having it below the ribbon because it's easier to see and use. Here's how to move it. Click the small down arrow at the end of the toolbar, then select Show Below the Ribbon. And just like that, the toolbar moves underneath the ribbon. Now, you might still see a Save icon at the very top. That one is part of Excel's title bar, not the Quick Access Toolbar, so don't worry if you see it twice. If you click the drop-down arrow again, you'll see a list of popular commands. These are commands Microsoft thinks you'll use often. To add one, just click it. For example, let's add spelling. Click it, and it appears instantly on the toolbar. If you don't see the Quick Access Toolbar at all, it might be turned off. In Excel 2021, you can control that. Go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. At the bottom, make sure Show Quick Access Toolbar is checked. If you uncheck it and click OK, the toolbar disappears. You can turn it back on anytime. By default, you only see icons, but you can also show text labels. This makes it much easier to understand what each button does. To do that, go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. Check Show Command Labels and click OK. Now you'll see both the icon and the command name, like Undo, Redo, or Spelling. If there's a command you use a lot, for example, conditional formatting, just right-click on it and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar, and immediately it appears in your toolbar. Some Excel commands don't appear on any ribbon. To add those, go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. On the left, open the drop-down that says Popular Commands. Select All Commands. Now you can see every command available in Excel, listed in alphabetical order. Choose a command, click Add, and it appears on the toolbar. You can also change the order using the up and down arrows. You'll also see something called a separator. A separator adds a small line between groups of commands. This helps keep your toolbar organized. You can add as many separators as you like and move them wherever you like. If you want to remove a command, simply right-click on it and choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. No need to open Excel options again. Final tip. As you use Excel more, you'll start to notice the commands you use most often. When that happens, add them to the Quick Access Toolbar. It saves time and keeps your tools exactly where you need them.